all activities Jito Business Network has brought for him. I will briefly touch upon. Let us see if you want to grow your business outside your chapter, outside your state, all over India. We have franchisee dealership and distributorship program. If you want to learn some skills, if you want to learn the referral skill, we have launched day before yesterday a complete referral guide how to do networking. मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल वो कहते हैं कि हमने जीटो की मेंबरशिप ली, हमें तो कोई बिजनेस नहीं आ रहा, हम बिजनेस में कैसे नेटवर्किंग करते हैं हमें नहीं पता. दिस गाइड विल हेल्प यू हाउ टू लिवरेज मैक्सिमम आउट ऑफ एवरी मीटिंग. देन if you want to learn a new skill, you want to become a homepreneur, work from home, there are a lot of family members, they want to do something, you can learn, you can have opportunities under the SSB program, small scale business, 10,000 से 50,000 रुपए की opportunities. Then comes कि हमारा business तो already बहुत बड़ा है, we are already doing business worth hundreds of crores or maybe even thousands of crores. What is inside for us in Jito Business Network? We have special industry groups, focus industry group, 50 industry groups we have appointed conveners and co-conveners. You can connect with them. Project directory is available to everyone. Unka mobile number, email ID, everything is available publicly on jitojbn.org. आप उस पर जाके उनसे कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं. रिगार्डिंग योर इंडस्ट्री, व्हाट इज द लेटेस्ट ट्रेंड, लेटेस्ट प्रोक्योरमेंट ट्रेंड्स क्या हैं, लेटेस्ट इनसाइट्स क्या है, रिपोर्ट्स क्या है, just join the JBN industry group. It is free group. You can join as per your industry. Connect with your chapter convener, Sanjay Bhai, Raman ji, chapter chairman, chapter secretary. Connect anybody in the chapter and they will help you to get the right industry group you can join, which is All India group. And not all India, other international chapter also. We have more than 15, 16 international chapters. They are also now associating with JBN. So JBN gives you an opportunity to connect with 80 cities. This is the bigger opportunity. Look at this from a perspective that it's an ocean opening for you. But unless until you actively participate in chapter activity, unless until you know your chapter, we cannot grow. So two things I want to say today. Are we increasing level of trust amongst our member with our actions? Are we engaging them in activity which can open up or unlock abundance for them? If we are doing these two things, कहते हैं जब मिलेंगे तो मिलेगा. The more you give, the more you get. That is what I want to say. Thank you very much for giving me this opportunity. And I'm really blessed to have all of you together in the circle of empowerment. Let us empower each other. 2021 आज से जो दिन शुरू हुआ है और आज बहुत ऑस्पिशियस डे है. प्लेनेटरी अलायंस आर ऑल पॉजिटिव. आज जो भी आप सोचेंगे, जो भी चाहेंगे वो हो जाएगा. मैनिफेस्ट पॉजिटिविटी, मैनिफेस्ट अबंडेंस, एंड इट विल हैपन टू यू. थैंक यू वेरी मच.
Many thanks, Rishabh ji. It was enlightening. आपके views हमें सुनने को मिले. I'm sure each one of us have great takeaways जो भी आपने हमें बताया opportunities के बारे में जो 2021 में हमें available है. So thank you for that. I now request our vibrant and dynamic chapter chairman Shri Raman ji to come and enlighten us. Raman ji, can you please?
Am I audible and visible?
Yes.
Okay. Jai Jinin and good evening, everyone. I feel immensely pleased to announce the rollout of Jito Gurugram JBN activities. At the onset, let me welcome all the dignitaries, participants, and guests to the referral meet which we are having for the first time in our new tenure. Jito Business Network, as you all know, is the backbone of Jito, through which the goal of networking and business activities is achieved. Today's referral meet is one of the activities whereby traders of different fields are referred to each other to enhance their networking. Gurugram is actually an industrial town, a business hub, and also a corporate center where lie tremendous business opportunities to grow. Jito Gurugram will act as the bridge, firstly, to get them interconnected, and secondly, to get them intraconnected. In doing so, JBN is the most effective tool. The programs we intend to roll out under JBN are first, this kind of referral meets where we will refer all the fields of businesses among each other. They will be at the chapter level and also intra-chapter level, whereby they will get to interact with the traders of other chapters to get in networking and to grow their business. Second would be Meet the Radiant. This is a series of webisodes whereby we'll be showcasing a peek into the lives of accomplished businessmen and professionals. This would be a monthly series of webisodes which will have its first episode on 17th of January. I would request all to attend this series of events and enrich themselves by the vision and experience of the luminaries of our chapter. Another very important program of small scale business, which will identify and promote the sector of small businesses of individuals working from home. This is also a program which is very close to my heart, and we would definitely like to reach out to those homes whereby the women, the boys and girls are working from their homes, and we want to promote them on our podium, on our platform, so that they can start their business in a professional way. Chai Pe Charcha is being rolled out in a bigger way, having to cover larger area than ever. The programs of Center for Excellence. Center of Excellence is a beautiful program which has been recently launched at the apex level, and this would be introduced soon at our chapter also for all the fairly young entrepreneurs to benefit from them. This referral meet is unique in ways more than one. The number of participants in the very first meet has surpassed the last year's maximum number. This is a great achievement, I feel, and the able team of our JBN Gurugram, I'm very sure this will take referral meets to another level. The way our convener, co-convener, and the teams are working, I'm very sure they will take it further from here. And secondly, today's meet has all the big names of Jito Gurugram participating in it today. May it be Naveen ji, our founder chairman, Rishabh ji, our JBN Apex Chief Secretary, Anil ji and Hitesh ji, Roop Polymers, KB Jain Saab, Shailesh ji Bhai Saab, Jinesh ji Bhai Saab, Janinder ji, Lalit ji, and some of our ladies wing members are also there. And I'm very happy after having seen ladies participating in this referral meet. I also expect more participation from the ladies wing in the JBN events to follow. Our youth wing convener, Aditya Dugar, is also here today, and I want to give him the responsibility to rope in all the youth wing members to take the benefits of JBN and networking through it. My dear friends, Gurugram chapter looks forward to involve each and every member in some way or the other, either to give business opportunities to the fellow members or to take business from the fellow members of Jito Gurugram and chapters across. I appeal to all to please come forward and reap the benefits being offered by Jito Business Network. My address would be incomplete if I don't acknowledge the efforts, hard work, and precision with which our convener Sanjay ji, co-convener Vineet ji, and Mani ji have worked day in and day out to roll out the monthly series of referral meets. A lot of meticulous planning has gone into setting the precedent for the future me. I congratulate them all and hope they do effective and productive events all through. I and my team are committed to them for any kind of assistance they may need from us in future. Thank you very much and Jai Jineem to all.
Thank you, Ramanji. Definitely your words inspire us. We are glad that you are our chairman who will be leading us, and we are sure to achieve miles in these 2 years. So it was really enlightening. I'm sharing my screen again, so give me a moment, please. I now call upon our JBN chair, convener, Sanjay ji, to help us glide through why do we need JBN at all. Sanjay ji, can you please?
Yeah. So thank you, Jito JBN members, for giving me this opportunity to represent JBN Gurugram to achieve JBN 2022 goals and to be a part of the extraordinary group under the guidance of Ramanji, Rishabhji and core committee of JBN team to grow business together. बचपन में सभी ने दादा दादी की नाना नानी की कहानियां सुनी होंगी जिनसे हमारे अंदर विजडम आती है और बुद्धिमत्ता आती है। इन्हीं में से एक है, एक समय की बात है, पिता और पुत्र जंगल में घूम रहे थे कि पुत्र ने देखा कि आगे रास्ता एक पेड़ गिरने के कारण बंद है। पुत्र ने उसको हटाने की कोशिश की लेकिन सफलता नहीं मिली। वह पिता के पास लौटा और पिता ने कहा कि अपनी पूरी ताकत लगा दो, लेकिन पुत्र फिर निराश होकर जब पिता से बोलता है कि नहीं हट पा रहा है तो पिता ने बोला कि मैंने पूरी ताकत लगाने के लिए बोला था लेकिन आपने तो मेरे से तो हेल्प नहीं मांगी, और उसके बाद दोनों ने मिलकर उस पेड़ को हटा दिया। तो यहाँ पुत्र हमारे यंग एंटरप्रेन्योर्स, इंडिपेंडेंट बिजनेस ओनर्स हैं और पिता हमारा एस्टैब्लिश्ड जेबीएन बिजनेस नेटवर्क है जो हमारे लिए हिडन पावर हाउस की तरह अवेलेबल है। Vision of JBN is to create a robust and self-propelling multiple channel platform that will economically empower Jito members, which will create a circle of empowerment for fellow members, where each member comes closer to each other and understand the business goal of fellow members, generate referrals and help in business growth through innovation, and also help in overcoming the challenges and checking what help they need. For entrepreneurs, this is a lifetime support where they benefit each other with each other's existence. Normally, what we feel that social organization means giving to the organization only. But Jito Business Network is one of the flagship programs of Jito, which is designed to give to the members. The core purpose of JBN is to empower all gens to grow collectively by coming together as a community, upholding Gen values, gender neutral approach, business mentoring, lead generation to create a trustworthy support system. So why JBN? There are thousands of reasons why JBN, so I will elaborate few of them. Enabling platform to engage for economic empowerment, leveraging community strength to become a stronger economic power, provides business connect with higher level of trust, expand our franchisee distributor dealer network, create a pool of franchisors who want to promote their business pan-India or globally with minimal expense, offer opportunities to fellow Gen members to own franchisee and be a business owner, structured learning with Center for Excellence to upgrade, reskill, and educate for both top of the pyramid to the bottom. We have JBN Center of Excellence program from IIM, ISB, Stanford, London Business School, and Harvard University, and many more. Business skill building programs under the newly launched mentorship program, where you can have one-to-one meetings with knowledge experts and upgrade your business skills. Opportunity creation groups connect with top business houses to make them part of the JBN ecosystem. SSB, small scale business, enabling Gen community to be Atmanirbhar by creating multiple opportunities, create opportunities for work from everywhere to ensure all can avail business opportunities. WhatsApp-based technology tools, WhatsApp groups, industry-based groups, location-specific groups to generate referrals and connect to the desired ask of the members, and can promote the business through, and anyone can promote the business through these tools. We have to establish JBN Group chapter, JBN Gurugram chapter, and integrate with the international chapters, empowering youth and ladies for economic independence, promote JBN among us youth, promote youth to leverage JBN network channel, empower ladies through JBN, bring lady entrepreneurs on JBN platform, integration of international ladies and youth wing along with professional forum, organize JBN events jointly, inter-chapter cross-referral meetings within India and with chapters to grow business together. With the integration and coordination of all JBN Gurugram wings and with the collective effort and the leadership of Ramanji, JBN, we are going to rock. Every month, we will be having a referral group meeting. We will be having cross-chapter meetings. We will be having industry-specific meetings, and we'll have cross-chapter meets. And we will be having Jito stalwarts to motivate our younger fellow members. Now let's watch JBN video to find out our why to associate with JBN.
आजा आजा जिंद शामी आने के तले, आजा जरी वाले नीले आसमाने के तले। जय हो जय हो। आजा आजा जिंद शामी आने के तले, आजा जरी वाले नीले आसमाने के तले। जय हो जय हो।
So, dear members, if you have find out the why JBN, just light up the screen and show that you should be a part of JBN and to grow our business together. So, dear members, please light up the screen. I just want to show your enthusiasm so that we are going to rock. We should be the #1 chapter in the time to come in India and across the globe. Dear members, as lifelong learning is the secret of a successful entrepreneur, we intend to give you some power tips in a bite size. Topic of this month is how to have engaging introduction. Over to Maniji.
Thank you, Sanjay ji. Your energy was very vibrant. I am stopping to share my screen because there is no content I have prepared for this part of my topic, because I wanted to have a live interaction with all of you. So, आज का topic है how to have engaging introduction. Most of the time, अगर हमें कोई पूछता है कि who are you, हमारा इंट्रोडक्शन होता है my name is so and so and I do so and so, so I'm a business owner or I am employed or I work with so and so company. तो जिंदगी ये एक लाइन में बंद कर रह जाती है for most of us, right? अगर हमें किसी और के बारे में पूछा जाए कि वो इंसान कैसा है या फॉर एग्जांपल वो प्रोडक्ट कैसा है, we can probably say words up to 1 page on anybody else. बट अगर कोई हमें हमारे बारे में पूछे कि कैसी इंट्रोडक्शन होनी चाहिए, वी आर लाइक स्टक. एंड माइंड यू, इफ यू आर आस्क्ड टू इंट्रोड्यूस टू अ लार्जर फोरम, देन इट इज इवन मोर इंटिमिडेटिंग कि कैसे इंट्रोड्यूस करें अपने आप को. तो जनरली हमें बचपन से सिखाया जाता है, आई एम सो एंड सो, थैंक यू फॉर गिविंग मी दिस अपॉर्चुनिटी टू इंट्रोड्यूस माई सेल्फ एंड आई डू दिस एंड दिस. This is such a conventional and cliche now, and it's boring. न्यू एज में ऐसी इंट्रोडक्शंस का कोई जगह नहीं है. तो मेरा ये मानना है कि हम लोग जब अपनी इंट्रोडक्शन देते हैं, मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम वी विल से वी डू सो एंड सो, वी बिलोंग दिस इंडस्ट्री या वी आर एक्सपर्ट इन दिस फील्ड. सवाल ये है कि हम में से ऐसा कौन है जो ये कहेगा कि मैं एक्सपर्ट नहीं हूं अपनी फील्ड में। हम सब ने इतने साल दिए हैं अपनी अपनी डोमेन्स में, तो कौन बोलेगा कि मैं एक्सपर्ट नहीं है? सो हम सभी एक्सपर्ट्स हैं। So how does it makes you as a listener to your introduction कि मैं कैसे मान लूं कि आप एक्सपर्ट हैं? आप एक्सपर्ट हैं, so assuming you are expert, right, you don't need to prove that. मेरा ये मानना है कि आप अपनी फील्ड में बहुत अच्छे हैं, तो उसे प्रूव करने की क्या जरूरत है? अगर हम एंगेजिंग का इंट्रोडक्शन करना चाहते हैं तो हमें इस माइंडसेट से चलना पड़ेगा कि सामने वाला क्या सुनना चाहता है, इंस्टेड हम क्या कहना चाहते हैं, सामने वाला क्या सुनना चाहते हैं। तो थोड़ा सा ट्विस्ट इन आई एम एक्सपर्ट इन दिस एंड दिस, आई हैव अचीव्ड दिस एंड दिस, एंड आई हैव डन दिस एंड दिस, आई हैव दिस एंड दिस कनेक्ट। अगर हम उसे जरा सा ट्विस्ट कर लें और बोलें कि दिस इज द वैल्यू आई कैन क्रिएट फॉर यू through my expertise, the complete conversation changes, the complete context changes. Yeah. So how many of you agree? Please give me an emoticon. How many of you agree with me? Please give me an emoticon so that I know if I'm making sense to you. Okay, I see quite a lot. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. So for example, thank you. There are a lot coming up. Thank you. So the point is, agar mera introduction hai that I am a coach and I'm from Harvard, and I have trained hundreds of entrepreneurs. Doesn't matter. Agla kehta hai, main kya karu? You know, the thought which is going on in the listener's mind is, okay, you are from Harvard. Then how does it help me? If I could change my introduction to say that I help entrepreneurs to create better businesses, to scale up businesses, yeah, and I handhold him, it makes a better introduction. Then they will ask you, कि ऐसा क्या करते हो, you know, then the series of conversation starts from your introduction. Rather than you blowing your own trumpets, you engage and you create interest in samne wala, you know, to the listener, and he is then mandated to ask you more questions because you just twisted your introduction to offer more value, what you can give, instead of, you know, pumping around your expertise. So I hope I created some value in this meeting through one small piece of advice, through this engaging introductions part. And keeping this in mind, we have created an introduction template for JBN Gurugram, which helps us to what I've just said. So let me share my screen again. Give me a moment. So we now come with referrals. Sanjay ji, I would like to take you ask you to take this up, and we have a template wherein we will go as per this template, and I hope we are able to add value to each others by this specific template which we follow. So Sanjay ji, over to you.
So this is the time in the meeting where we give members a brief moment to continue the process of educating their fellow members on who they are, what they do, how they add value, and what sort of business and connects they are looking for. So I start with our young entrepreneur, Ayush Jain, the serial number 1. So Ayush, please unmute and introduce yourself to the room.
Jai Jinendra, everyone. I am Ayush Jain. My company name is Access, and I have a business on e-commerce sites like Amazon and Flipkart, and I'm selling products ranging from fashion garments to office stationery and many more other products. Also, I have carrying forward my father's business of manufacturing garments, in which we manufacture both ladies and men's garments, and we specialize in ladies garments, ethnic wear. We have worked with companies like H&M earlier. Now we are currently working with Biba Apparels, that is a multi-store brand which has around more than 600 stores all over India. Right now, our business is 25 years old, and I would like to just, my ask is that I can provide an online platform to our businesses if anybody is looking forward to putting their product online. So I can help them with that. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, Ayush. Good to know about you. Now moving on to Abhik Jain. He's also from Youth Wing Brigade.
Yeah, hello. Yeah, hi team. My name is Abhik Jain, and we are in the field of construction. Hello, am I
Yeah.
audible?
Audible.
Yes, Abhi.
Yeah. So we are in the field of construction, and what we are basically doing is we are building some IT solutions for the entire industry. We are building a specific job portal for our industry. And what we're trying to do is trying to make an ecosystem for the entire industry, for contractors, for professionals, for people to find jobs. That goes by the name civilbaba.com. So what I can offer maybe in a couple of months' time is an end-to-end solution, an end-to-end IT solution for all the construction companies, be it in any sector, be it railways, buildings, oil and gas, power, and that's it. Because I was not prepared, and that's it.
Thank you, Abhi. So now we move to serial number 3, Abhishek Jain. So if Abhishek is not there, we can move to Aditya Duggarji, please.
Jai Jinend, everybody. My name is Aditya Dugar. My company's name is Gemstone Impex. We are an enterprise into imported marbles and granite since 1990 and help developers and builders save up to 27% of their cost while investing into marbles and granite. We have helped over 29,000 customers in 23 states to complete their dream projects, working with clients like Central Park, M3M, and AIPL. I can connect you to good contractors or good developers if anybody has that kind of requirement. And I'm happy to be with all of you tonight.
Thank you. So now we are moving to Anil Jainji of Roop Polymers. Anilji, are you there? So, or we move to Ankur Dasani. Ankur Dasani, are you there? So, Ashish Jain, serial number 7. They might have registered, but may not be there in the meeting. Ashok Jain Surana ji from Umrao's Creation. Dharmendra Jain ji.
Jai Jinend, everyone. I'm Dharmendra Jain from Akshay Jain and Company. Am I audible to everyone?
Yeah, you are audible.
And my company is into real estate business in Gurgaon for last 27 years. We specialize in residential as well as commercial and industrial properties in Gurgaon. In these 27 years, we have seen a small town Gurgaon becoming the millennium cities of today. I have full knowledge of every nook and corner of the Gurgaon, and when customers came to me, I share my entire experience of these 27 years with them, and they get the best deals from me, value for their money, and good returns on their investments. So please contact me with the buyers, sellers, and investors for all their property needs, sale, purchase, rental, leasing, etc. Once again, I'm Dharmendra Jain from Akshay Jain and Company. Think of property, think of us. Thank you.
Good to know you about Dharmendra ji. So now moving over to Dr. Mukul Jain. So Anil Jain ji is here.
Anil ji is
so
back.
I will request Anil ji to introduce.
Yes, I'm there.
Yeah. So Mukul ji, can you wait for a minute because Anil ji is there, so he will introduce us.
Well, I'm sorry, I was little off the track. So good evening, Jai Jinend to everyone, whosoever is attending this event. I'm Anil Jain, into a business of rubber and plastic molded and extruded components, one-stop shop for all the solutions related to auto and white goods industries. I'm in this business from last 47 years. We are associated with almost all OEMs across India and also exporting to Europe and US, couple parts. In total, if we talk about rubber and plastic, we have 12 plants, and otherwise in total we have 17 plants, including engineering. So this is what it is. If anybody need any support in the case of auto industry, so I'm here to support and to help. We are also a big buyer of polymers, rubbers, and chemicals and all related items. If any GITO member who are into all these stuff, they can approach us. We'll be happy to deal with GITO members. I can say I am the first one who have placed order for solar power generation system to GITO member and put this system in 3 plants in one go. And a couple more plants are available for solar. If anybody is interested, they can contact us. So I think on 17th, there is an event of JBN. So probably if you people can join me on that day, you can hear much more than what I am telling today. With this, thank you very much. And thanks for listening so patiently.
Thank you, Anil Bhai Sahab. Thank you for coming at this platform and creating opportunities for our JBN members. And
thank you very much,
that you will create a lot of opportunities for our JBN members.
Entire credit goes to you and our chairman, Ramanji, and his team, because you people are really doing lot hard work. No words to explain all that.
Thank you. Thank you, sir. So now moving over to Dr. Mukul Jain.
Jai Jinendra, Namaskar. I am Dr. Mukul Jain. I am a PhD in management. I am into academics, into training, consultancy. I am also a life coach. I am also a quality auditor. So basically, I am a mechanical engineer. So my specializations, as I said, is strategic management. I teach strategic management, corporate governance, company laws, financial services. So I can offer training services into various fields, including soft skills as well as hard skills, including management consultancy for the businesses, because currently I am on the board of one of the insurance broking companies. So because I have also qualified the corporate governance exam also. Today, the government has made it compulsory for any public limited company to have 1/3 independent directors. So I would also be make myself available to be on the board of a public limited company or maybe a private limited company also, and serve as an independent director and provide my services, my expertise on strategic management, etc.
Thank you, Dr. Mukul. So अभी हम जो ये रेफरल राउंड कर रहे हैं, तो हमें रेफरल्स क्या है, मैं थोड़ा सा उसके बारे में बताना चाहूंगा. रेफरल्स आर नॉट लीड्स. Referral is an introduction to someone who has been told about you and a meeting set up. It is the opportunity to do business with someone who is in the market to buy your product or service. It's not a guaranteed sale, but a personal recommendation to a person who is not there here. So now moving over to Gaurav Jainji. Serial number 12. So if he's not there, I request Hitesh Jainji to please unmute and introduce yourself, please. You need no introduction, but this is the referral meet, so this will be good for us to know about you.
Good evening and Jai Jinendra to everyone. Jai Jinendra to everyone. Yes, Sanjay ji, of course, our dynamic chairman.
So your voice is not audible, either network.
Even.
Yeah,
we have a company with the name Roop Polymers. Primarily, that is our main company. In all, we have 12 plants.
Maybe there is a technical glitch at Teji's place, but we are eager to hear from him. So now we can move over to Jinendra Jainji till the time his technical glitch is over. So Jinendra Jain, are you there?
Yeah, sorry, there were some glitches in my connection.
Now if it is okay, sorry, please. Yeah. Go ahead, sir.
So it's primarily, as I told you, the same. We are the same company. I'm joint managing director there and having experience of 41 years with this, starting from scratch and doing all rubber and plastics for mainly all OEM companies in India in two-wheeler, four-wheeler, and making, and available for any kind of support. Any youngsters wanted to have, we are there to support. And whoever is connected with our kind of industry products, they can be in touch with us. We can see whatever we can do support, we are there. And looking forward.
So Anilji, Hiteshji, we are blessed that you are here and you will create a lot of opportunities to our fellow JBN members. And you are also a mentor to our JBN team. So we are thankful for your mentorship. So we will be doing our best in organizing the best of the best referral meets so that people should get referrals and great business out of these meets. So now moving over to Janendra Jain ji. So Janendra Jain ji, are you there, or shall I move to Jinesh Jain ji? So now I request KB Jain ji, serial number 16, to introduce yourself, please.
I'm Jinesh there.
Okay. Yeah, Jinesh ji, please introduce yourself first.
Yeah. Jai Jinesh, everybody. I am Jinesh Jain from the NK Rubber Group. It is a 65-year-old concern, and it's a group company, and we have 3 plants here in Gurgaon. We are basically dealing in sports goods, automotive, and surgical products, besides footwear components. And we are also master franchises of Anytime Fitness gyms in India. We're providing franchises to a lot of people to set up their gyms in different regions and cities in India. Well, we are primarily into a lot of polymers, and my forte is like product development and manufacturing processes. And we also deal with a lot of international brands because we supply a lot of our sports goods and surgical and footwear components all over the world. So whether it is Europe, whether it is the US or Japan or Australia, the products are widely accepted there and conform to all their local specifications. We are also manufacturers. We are also into trading. We are doing a lot of imports and trading under our own brand names here in India. We have our different brands like NK, Enco, Anytime Fitness, and Coronation. These are all our brands. We are also, I would say, user of a lot of polymers and chemicals, and besides a lot of services that we can provide in the gym area, providing, franchises to a lot of people who would like to open gyms. We are open to that. And we are here to help anybody from our Jito fraternity or Jain fraternity who would like to avail of this. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Janenji. Thanks a lot. And we are looking at you to offer a lot of opportunities for our fellow JBN members.
Thank you so much.
So now moving over to KB Jain sir.
Yeah, मैं KB Jain हूँ. I am Chairman and Managing Director for Indian Transformers Electricals Private Limited. I am also Patron and Founder President for All India Transformers Manufacturers Association and Founder Trustee for GD Jain Foundation. I am running this Indian Transformers Electrical since 1990 years, and our transformers are BIC certified and we star labeled. We are also 9000 ISO 9000 certified, 40001 certified, and 45001 certified also. We have got pan-India presence. Our product range is the transformer type, furnace, solar, inverter duty type, isolation transformers, Then we are into switch gears, that is vacuum circuit breakers and load break switches. In the panels of various kind of panels, remote control panels also that includes, and we have got compact substations also. We are manufacturing, and voltage controllers we are also. We are looking for electrical consultants, contractors, dealers, and sheet metal fabricators can do job work for us also. And we are manufacturing, so I will not take much of time, as the limit is for 45 seconds. And as Manija said, I will not be able to engage further with this.
But I tell you, KB Jain Saab, there is a referral for you. So I can introduce you to Singh Isotech Private Limited.
So nice, sir. Thank you.
Vishal Singh. So that is the power of 45-second introduction. When you talk about yourself, no one knows from where referral can come. And they are into electrical, they are electrical audit expert, and they are electrical consultant. They have a lot of consultancies. They are doing consultancy to Manesar industrial area, Udyog Vihar industrial area, and they are expert in this field for the last 30 years. So I'll be introducing you to Mr. Vishal.
India presence, we are approved in the defense. MBS mein, I think in all sectors, and right from Andaman to Leh Ladakh, we have got our supplies there, our transformers and voltage controllers and vacuum circuit breakers. We have supplied all these things there. So,
thank you, KB Jain Saab. Thank you so much to know about you. So we'll be discussing later, and whatever information you want to share, because chat box is not working today, I request all members to share their leads, their referrals in the JBN group, Gurugram group, so that other members can benefit out of that and they can connect post meeting. So now I move over to Lalit Jain ji.
My name is Lalit Jain. My company name is Sun Merchandising Services. We are basically buying agents. We represent many buyers from USA and Canada. We handle many products. Briefly, we handle a whole range of garments, men's, ladies, children, infant. We also do bags from every region, including items like a straw bag, jute bag, forget about cotton, polyester, every kind of bags that we do. And not only that, we also have our offices in Gurgaon, in Calcutta, and in Tirupur, because knit is a big business that we do, because a lot of infant garments are done there. We do ladies. As a matter of fact, it will be my pleasure to get any of the Jain community, any of the Jain people who are interested to get into exports. They are most welcome to contact me with their profiles of the different products that they do, and I can try to help them out in exports. I do have right now 2 of my Jain vendors, and I'm always has been striving for the last 50 years that I've been in this industry, that to have Jain family members as a partner of business as always. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Lalitji. So now moving over to our business coach and branding coach, Mani Jain ji.
Okay, Jai Jinendra sabko. I am Mani Jain and I designate myself as life branding coach. I am also the author of the book One Notch Up. It's available on Amazon now. The Kindle version is available. So I teach, I am into coaching. So I take up coaching, one-on-one coaching, and I do a lot of corporate training as well on soft skills and on executive presence, etc. My specific ask is connects from corporate HR departments whom I can connect for trainings. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Maniji. So now I request Mr. Mohit Jain to introduce himself. Serial number 19.
Hi, my name is Mohit Jain. I'm from Beliram Tarachan Jain Jewelers, one of the oldest families of the silversmiths in India. So we deal in actually pure silver articles. My ask is corporates looking for the gifts, and your near and dear ones looking for the wedding gifts. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Mohitji. Thank you so much. And now moving over to Monica Jain ji.
जय जिनेंद्र सभी को। आई एम मोनिका जैन, वाइस चेयरपर्सन JLW गुड़गांव। मैंने अभी एक नया बिजनेस मतलब वैसे तो होम मेकर हूँ, बट एक छोटा सा बिजनेस शुरू करा परफ्यूम का, जिसमें इत्र, परफ्यूम्स, ऑयल, प्योर ऑयल्स वगैरह इन सब का, और मैं खुद होम मेड स्क्रब वगैरह और ऑयल हेयर ऑयल वगैरह खुद बनाती हूँ। जो मैं सारा मतलब मैं जो भी तैयार सामान है मैं मेरा होम टाउन कन्नौज से लाती हूँ, जहाँ परफ्यूम का काम होता है। और मैं इन सब के सप्लाई मतलब करना चाहती हूँ, जो फूड कंपनी वगैरह है या जो दवाई वगैरह जो भी बनाते हैं एनीवे, क्योंकि इत्र परफ्यूम और हर चीज में यूज होता है, तो उसके लिए मैं एक नया बिजनेस अपना शुरू करना चाहती हूँ। अभी तो ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, लेकिन बट JBN से मुझे कुछ हेल्प चाहिए जिससे मैं आगे बढ़ सकूं। थैंक यू।
I request all the JBN members and GITO members to empower our ladies. So I request everyone to support Monica Jain ji. Thank you so much.
Sanjay ji, can I come in for that? Sanjay
Yeah,
ji, can I?
Thank you.
मोनिका जी, जो आप व्यापार कर रही हैं, जो घर से आप काम कर रही हैं, आपके जैसे सब लेडीज या बच्चे या बच्चियां जो घर से व्यापार कर रही हैं, उन्हीं के लिए ये नया प्रोग्राम है स्मॉल स्केल बिजनेसेस। और ये हमने मेन बैंक के अंदर ये बीड़ा उठाया है कि जो लोग अपने घर से इस तरीके के शुरुआत कर रहे हैं अपने व्यापार की, उनको हम आइडेंटिफाई करके अपने मेन चैप्टर के अंदर, अपने मेन पोडियम के ऊपर, प्लेटफॉर्म के ऊपर प्रमोट करना चाहते हैं। एंड यू मस्ट रजिस्टर योरसेल्फ इन SSB, एंड जल्दी ही हम आपको उसके अंदर अपना प्रोग्राम बताएंगे, एंड आपको सबको उसके अंदर रजिस्टर करके उसके फायदे को लेना है। ये मैं आपको सब आपके जरिए सब लोगों को कहना चाहता हूँ इस चीज के लिए।
Thank you sir.
Thank you. So now moving over to Mukesh Jain ji. Mukesh ji, please unmute and introduce yourself.
Yeah. Jai Jinendra ji. Mukesh Jain. Our company is about Premier Rubber Mills, about 52 years old. And we are into manufacturing of rubber molded parts. And I would just request my brother Deepak Jain, who also registered, share further details of the company. So I'll just hand over to Deepak Jain. Could you just please ask Deepak Jain to?
Okay. So Ramnik Jain ji ke suppose Deepak Jain ji, please aap apna introduction dein.
Sure. Jai Jinendra everyone. Deepak Jain this side. I'm part of Premier Rubber Mills, which is a family-run business for about last 52 years. And we are into manufacturing of rubber molded space with a niche in mining and mineral industry. And the kind of niche that we've created in the industry for mining and mineral, we are a single source supplier to some of the leading mining companies in India, like Vedanta Group, Balco, ArcelorMittal, and SR. And we feel proud that we are also a single source supplier, the only supplier in India that some of these leading mining companies have for some of their products. And now we have a vision to make this a global footprint and work across these leading mining companies in other countries as well. And in a personal capacity, what I have to offer is that I am a data strategist as well. In my prior role with Publicis Sapient, I was a director of marketing strategy. I held that position for about 13 years. And if anybody needs any help in that personal space, I'm up for that. And in addition, as a business owner for Premier Rubber Mills, we would love to know if anybody is into supply of chemicals or rubber polymers. We'll be more than happy to have a discussion and take that further. Thank you so much. Jai Jinendra.
Thank you, Deepak ji. We will be looking towards you, because if you float offers and what requirement of your companies in JBN Group, definitely our JBN will be empowered by your requirements, right? And now I request our founder chairman Naveen Jain ji to introduce. उनके लिए introduction की जरूरत नहीं है, लेकिन ये platform है referral meet का, so everyone can benefit.
Thank you, Sanjay. Excellent job you guys are doing. And Raman, I can see him on the screen. Raman, you can smile. You're working very hard. You need 5 minutes. I'm a partner in a third generation 60-year-old real estate firm by the name of Penkijan and Company. We specialize out of Gurgaon.
Audio
So we specialize in builder representation, client representations. आवाज आ रही है?
अब ठीक है।
संजय, can you hear?
नहीं, अब ठीक है।
आ रही है आवाज आपकी।
अब आवाज आ रही है?
अब ठीक है सर।
बुलंद आवाज आ रही है।
So can I start again?
Yes, yes.
Do I get few more seconds because of the network glitch?
Yes, please.
Thank you so much.
You have all the right, sir. This chapter is yours.
नहीं sir. We should be the last one standing, you know.
Yeah, that's good.
You know that better.
Anyway.
अभी फाउंडर चेयरमैन साहब म्यूजिकल आवाज आ रही थी, अब क्लियर आ रही है।
Hitesh ji, namaste. Good to see all the stalwarts over here.
Yeah.
So my name is Naveen Jain again. I'm a partner in a 60-year-old third generation real estate firm by the name of Penkijan and Company. We specialize in Gurugram and South Delhi areas primarily, and specialized projects across India. And my main forte is builder representation, original booking, buying, selling, leasing of all kind of properties, right from needle to aeroplane. Some of my friends around feel that we do only big properties, or some might feel we do small properties. But let me assure you, it is a privilege and a pleasure if you come to us with your custom, with your business, right from a small to a large property, we can provide solutions. We particularly specialize in rental returns and in investment returns. What I can provide to everyone is an advisory, complimentary advisory in restructuring their portfolio. If you guys want to discuss what real estate you currently own, I can really advise you whether you should continue with it, whether you should hold it, whether you should even take a loss on it, and then see to it that how we can move forward. What I can provide to Jito JBN, apart from my own business, is opportunity for internships. If somebody wants to learn marketing, telecalling, and if anybody is interested in doing real estate business, which is a fantastic business and full of opportunities, and now youngsters are doing it with a lot of technology and a lot of other stuff, then you can look me up. It'll be a privilege and pleasure to assist you all. And thank you so much, Ramanji and Sanjayji, Maniji, Vineet, Rishabh, and everyone with the JBN team to do such a fantastic job. Thank you so much. All the best.
Thank you.
Thank you, Naveen Bhai, for creating opportunities as well. So now moving over to Naveen Jain ji in handicraft business.
Jai Jain, everyone. I am Naveen Jain from Naveen Handicraft. We have largest showroom of marble and stone handicraft in Delhi NCR in name of Naveen Handicraft from last 26 years. We are dealing in mandir, murti, fountain statue, garden benches, garden lights, inlay work, and many more items in marble and handicraft stone items. Our motto is client satisfaction. Thank you.
Thank you, Naveen ji. And now moving on to
Sanjay, 1 second. I'm so sorry to disturb the protocol. Guys, I would also like to introduce Naveen as with a powerful lady behind him. He's also the husband of Mrs. Hema Jain, who's our JLW Chief Secretary. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Naveen ji. Thank you.
So moving on to Parag Nahar. Mr. Parag Nahar, please introduce yourself.
हाय जय जिनेंद्र, मैं पराग नाहर, मेरी कंपनी का नाम है आइकॉनिक लेबल्स एंड हम सारे तरह के जितने भी ब्रांडिंग के लिए ट्रिम्स चाहिए होते हैं एपरल इंडस्ट्री के लिए वो मैन्युफैक्चर करते हैं गुड़गांव में। ये हमारा 4 साल पुराना प्लांट है एंड ऑलरेडी वी आर नॉमिनेटेड विद सेवरल national and international brands and we are directly exporting our labels, which is something that very few label companies are doing in India. इसके अलावा हमारा जो business है, I am also into India distributor of a Japanese company, which by the name they call themselves Fog Engineers. हर तरह की एप्लीकेशन के लिए, चाहे वो टेक्सटाइल है या आउटडोर कूलिंग है या फिर आपकी किसी भी तरह की एप्लीकेशन में जहां पे आपकी एनर्जी ज्यादा लगती है और आपको एनर्जी कम यूज करनी है, बाय द वे ऑफ रिड्यूसिंग योर एयर कंजम्पशन और मैक्सिमाइजिंग योर वाटर अवेलेबिलिटी जो भी है, उसके लिए वी आर देयर टू हेल्प यू। एंड ह्यूमिडिफिकेशन के लिए तो होता ही है, तो this is it. And my giveaway is that I'm looking for agents in eastern, southern, and western part of India for all my products. If anybody is interested, please get in touch with me. And I'm looking forward to meeting Lalit ji from Sun Merchandising and Ayush. I heard the first one, Ayush. And if there is anything that I can give away, give any support, I'll be very, very happy to do so. Thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome to call me whenever you want.
Okay, sir. Nice to hear from you.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you, Parag. And we will be looking forward to you for creating opportunities to JBN members, as we have already discussed earlier. So we will be sharing all the details in the JBN group.
Just wanted to share that I have already taken some I've not taken. I have some. We've dealt with Vineet ji from the on our group. So I've ordered a small order because it's already in a lockdown state. The businesses are already stressful. I requested him कि भाई मेरे को थोड़ा सा corporate gifts के लिए थोड़ा सा छोटा सा order है, and he was very very happy to serve me. Sir, and I am really helpful. मेरे को कहीं माथा फोड़ नहीं करनी पड़ी. एक फोन किया और मेरा काम हो गया.
देखिए तभी हमारा इस सर्कल ऑफ एम्पावरमेंट रेफरल मीट है ना, ये इसीलिए हम कर रहे हैं, so that everyone will be beneficiary of this meeting. So now moving over to Rajat Jain ji.
संजय भाई एक सेकंड, मैं पराग भाई को एक बात बोलना चाहूंगा कि कोई भी ऑर्डर या कोई भी बिजनेस छोटा नहीं होता. थैंक यू फॉर पराग भाई, आपने हमें एक ऑर्डर दिया, जीबीएन का फर्स्ट ऑर्डर. थैंक यू मच.
So मैं रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा रजत जैन जी से, वो इंट्रोड्यूस करें अपने. तो रजत जी नहीं है, तो मैं गुरुग्राम चैप्टर चेयरमैन रमन जी से रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि वो अपना परिचय दें. वो सब उनको जानते हैं, बट यहाँ एक फोरम है जिसमें सबको परिचय देना है. तो आई रिक्वेस्ट रमन जी टू इंट्रोड्यूस प्लीज.
संजय जी, मेरे एक और चीज मैं आपको बताना चाहूंगा. अभी मेरी वाइफ यहाँ पे नहीं है, विदुषी. शी इज अ फंक्शनल आर्टिस्ट, एंड जैसा रमन जी ने बोला कि स्मॉल स्केल बिजनेसेस में, तो पिछले 1-1.5 साल में विद हर आर्ट एंड रीच, शी हैज रीच्ड almost about 5,500 followers on Instagram. She's doing all her business online, and I can put a profile for her or a link for her for everybody to look into. And if I'll be happy अगर वहाँ पे आप लोग कोई उसको सब्सक्राइब करें या शेयर करें या लाइक करें.
Definitely, you can share in JBN Gurugram group, please. Thank you.
Of course. Thank you.
So now I request our Raman ji.
Thank you, Sanjay ji. First of all, Parag ji, I'll be very glad to have the profile of your wife, and we will definitely take her profile on our SSB platform, and we would definitely like to introduce her and promote her. That's one. And to everybody, I'm Raman Jain, and I'm into diamond jewelry export and retail for last 37 years. My specialization is high-end diamond jewelry. And what I can offer, since I am committed to Jito for next 2 years, what I can offer to Jito members, I have a dream for all my Jito members in Gurugram that I can connect everybody to somewhere or the other. For 2 years, my Jito Gurugram is my main business. I just want to take everybody from my chapter to wherever I can connect them to any chapter within India or any chapter out of India. And my ask from Jito Gurugram is, I want the engagement. I want engagement from everybody in my chapter, so that when they are engaged, when they come forward, our chapter will definitely go to a new level. And this is my dream for next 2 years, because when we go out from here, I want Naveen ji to tell me that yes, you have done for the chapter whom I have founded for Jito for Gurugram city, and I want to really work hard and engage everybody in this chapter, so that they are connected to their specified lines, to their respective lines, and they can be benefited altogether. Thank you.
Thank you, Ramanji, for your energy and for the time and for your mentorship and leadership. Thank you so much. And now,
Sanjay, Naveen here. Sorry, I'm taking a second. क्योंकि सारा परिवार है, तो मैं थोड़ा सा इनफॉर्मल हो रहा हूँ और मैं रमन को सिर्फ एक लाइन में जवाब दे सकता हूँ. कहने को तो बहुत कुछ है. 3.5 से लिए कहलवा ही रहा है मुझे, मतलब रुला दिया इसने चेयरमैन बनने में. बट एनीवे, रमन जी भाई रुलाएगा क्या अब?
नहीं सर,
मेरी आवाज आ रही है?
Yes, I'm just trying my level best, sir, to get everybody interacted with each other. Yeah.
रमन, तुमने ऑलरेडी 100 साल का काम कर दिया बॉस. अब तो
no.
सब बोनस पे बोनस चल रहा है. मजा आ रहा है.
Thank you, sir.
God bless. Yeah.
So now I request Ravinder Jain ji to introduce himself. Is he there?
Yeah, I'm here. I am from corporate world. I have been responsible to build organizations and worked in the area of marketing, project management. And now I am starting my innings as a consultant, advisor, and coach. So my field is again in field of marketing, project management, leadership, team building, quality systems, where organizations are currently investing in technology and capacities for future growth and businesses. So with my experience in working as CEO, managing director and independent director previously for last about 40 years, I would like to contribute in building organizations wherever I can play a role. And I am engineer from background, and I have done my management from IIM Ahmedabad in the year 1980. So this is in brief what I am wanting to do.
Thank you, Ravinder Jain ji. And we are blessed that you are here. And I suggest that our mentorship program will definitely need your assistance, because इसमें ऋषभ जी कुछ बोलना चाहें तो we can add at this moment of time.
I would also like to come in for Ravinder ji.
Yeah, Ravinder ji, it's an excellent profile, and we are blessed to have you in our Jito Gurugram. And Meet the Mentor is a program all India level. We are onboarding mentors now. The process will start formally by next week, and I will request that Sanjay bhai, you please reach out to Ravi ji and then make sure that he is onboarded. And we will have a lot of programs wherein our Jito youth members as well as the businessmen who want to diversify, they need some hand-holding, some support. Through mentorship, we can provide that. Thank you. Ramanji.
It will be a great opportunity for me, and I would look forward to working as mentor in whatever possibilities that I could handle those assignments. Thank you.
Ravi ji, I would also like to have your profile through Sanjay ji, because we have a JPF, that is Jito Professional Forum Invitee group, where I would like to have you there, because we have some professionals, highly placed professionals, whether they are working or whether they have retired. So we would like to have you as an invitee there, so that your experience can always guide the aspiring professionals and already the professionals who are there. I would like to have your profile and get you connected to the JPF invitee group in our chapter.
Thank you so much, Ramani. Thank you.
Thank you. So now I'll request Mr. Rishabh Sawant Sukhaji, our JBN Chief Secretary, Apex, who is the most dynamic personality over here, who has always motivated each and every member. Let's have a huge round of applause for him, because he represents Gurugram in the Apex. Thank you, Rishabh ji, for coming over here.
Sanjay ji. I am basically given a responsibility of JBN Chief Secretary. My name is Rishabh Sawant Sukha. I am a Chartered Accountant, MBA Finance, and I am part of Gurugram chapter. And as a Chief Secretary, now I have to wish and ask, because as a referral group, I want to make a wish that all the members of this group, this room, ladies member, youth member, should grow in 2021 and 2022. Any support you need anytime, 24/7 into 365, I am pledged to JBN. And I am ready to provide you that support, that connectivity. My ask is that every member should call 5 members every day. I am going to do this. I'm actually calling more people because of my role and responsibility, but you should try minimum 5 people in your chapter, outside the chapter. Take the list, take the data from Sanjay ji. Very soon we are going to provide all India data to everyone so that they can have an ocean of opportunity opening for all of us. Make a habit. 5 लोगों को ब्रेकफास्ट के बाद में कॉल करना है. जय जिनेंद्र का पासवर्ड है, हाय हेलो करनी है, अपने परिवार के बारे में बताना है, उनके परिवार के बारे में जानना है. बिजनेस इज बाई प्रोडक्ट, सर्विसेज इज बाई प्रोडक्ट. ट्रस्ट एंड अबंडेंस. हमारे पास अबंडेंस खजाना है और हमें ट्रस्ट को बनाना है. ऑलरेडी हमें प्लेटफॉर्म ने ट्रस्ट दिया है, उसको आगे बढ़ाना है. थैंक यू वेरी मच. जय जिनेंद्र.
थैंक यू ऋषभ जी. So now I request Sachin Jain ji from Genesis Cereals to introduce himself.
Sada Jai Jinendra. I am Sachin Jain from Jenny Cereals Private Limited. We specialize in coated and flavored dry foods with more than 100 variants for wedding cards and festival gifting. And we do manufacture also breakfast cereals with the experience of 25 years in food industry. We have a capacity of 5 tons per day for flavored coated and flavored nuts. Currently, we are doing private label for Dugar Overseas Private Limited, Sapphire, their Sapphire brand, and for KBRL Limited, India Gate brand, their India Gate brand. Please connect me to importers of food products in Dubai. Once again, I am Sachin Jain from Jenny Cereals Private Limited.
Thank you.
संजय जी, मैं यहाँ पर कहना चाहूंगी, मेरे भाई की शादी थी तो हमने सचिन जी से सारा ड्राई फ्रूट लेके शादी में जो भी बांटना था वो बांटा था. एंड अमेजिंग रिस्पॉन्सेज वी हैड from our relatives. So Sachin ji ke jo dry fruits ke different varieties, he's got lot of varieties. They're amazing, and I would request JBN members to try that out. So thank you Sachin ji, it was amazing.
Thank you Mani ji for giving opportunity to me. Thank you.
Thank you, and it's good to hear the compliments also. So now I request Shailesh Jain ji, who is the backbone of our Jito JBN, to introduce himself, please. Shailesh ji, are you there? So we can come back to him again if he's not there, and we can move to Satya Prakash Kothari ji. So moving over to Sonil Jain ji, who is our textile expert.
Good evening.
Has come back. So yeah, yes, Sonil, please introduce yourself.
Yeah, good evening, everyone. My name is Sonil Jain. I am a founder of a company called Sotex Network. Sotex is a smart sourcing platform for fashion and textile industry. We actually cater to businesses across in India, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, Vietnam, and China. We've got about 7,000 companies listed on our platform, and we are offering the solutioning on sourcing of design, stocks, capacities. I'm also director in my family business called PC Jain Textile, which is into embroidery fabric, laces, mass manufacturing, and disinfectants. Recently, I've been given the opportunity to serve JBN at the Textile and Garment Forum. So I'm also a co-convener in JBN Textile and Garment Forum. So would love to help or associate with anyone who wants to grow their business. So yeah, that's about it.
Thank you, Sonil. So now moving over to Sudhir Jain ji from SS Jewelers. Vaneet Jain ji, can you introduce yourself, please?
Jai Jinendra, good evening, everybody. I am Vineet Jain, Director, Vinod Kumar and Brothers Private Limited. My unit is located in Roorkee, and we are manufacturer for personal care products for last 30 years. And we've been doing this business with all multinationals, Reliance, Vishal, and many more, just to name a few. We are now looking for more referrals where we can enter into more corporate industries. And recently, we've also launched our own brand by the name of Yes You. So we are also looking all over India, networking and distribution of my products, body lotion, soaps, hand wash, everything. So any referrals from Lalitji, because he's looking after import and export and has connects there. So I would request Lalitji to help us out, give us some chance to serve him. Also, I would say that we can give you some corporate solutions also for like hand wash and all. People like Roop Rubbers and other who are employing more than 2,000 laborers must be requiring huge quantities of hand wash. So we can supply them in bulk and save them the cost. These type of reference we are looking for. And by the networking of JBN, I hope I'll grow faster and in many directions. Okay. Thank you very much.
So Sandeep ji, whatever best we can do, we will surely do for you. You have never disclosed what you are into actually. So
thank you, Bhaiya.
We have more than, in total, we have more than 7,000 people working with us in all the plants.
Thank you, Bhaiya.
So definitely it will be a great
opportunity for us. Sanjay ji and all respected members, I'll take your leave because I have to travel back to Gurgaon now.
Okay, thank you.
So please excuse
So now I request Mr. Vikas ji to introduce himself. If he's not there, I can request Varun Jain ji to introduce himself, please. Vikas Jain from Share Samadhan, are you there? So that you can introduce yourself. So now I request our JBN co-convener, Vineet Jain, to introduce himself.
जय जिनेंद्र जीबीएन। मेरे को थोड़ा जोश नहीं लग रहा है जीबीएन के अंदर, तो एक बार जोर से एक बार जय जिनेंद्र जीबीएन बोले तो काफी अच्छा मजा आ जाएगा।
जय जिनेंद्र।
जय जिनेंद्र।
जय जिनेंद्र।
जय जिनेंद्र।
जय जिनेंद्र। Thank you everyone. My name is Vineet Jain. My company name is VN International Private Limited, and I am deal in corporate gifts in the Pan India cinemas and ITs company and insurance companies and tiles company. My specialty is the customized gifts and the flags, hoardings, आपका डायरी, नोटबुक्स और आपका ट्रॉफीज और एवरीबडी आई विल टू लाइक टू एवरीवन। अगर आपको कोई किसी को भी कॉर्पोरेट गिफ्ट में कोई भी रिक्वायरमेंट है तो आप मुझसे कनेक्ट कीजिए।
जितेंद्र, उसको 14 रुपए तो मैंने पेटीएम से ट्रांसफर कर दिया मेरे बैंक अकाउंट से अभी।
आयुष, प्लीज टेक केयर एंड यू कैन।
Yes, I have done. I have muted.
Thank you.
एंड माय कंपनी, और हम लोग एक्सपोर्ट भी करते हैं अपना सिंगापुर, दुबई एंड यूएस। थैंक यू एवरीवन।
थैंक यू विनीत।
और मैं थैंक यू पराग जी को भी थैंक यू करूंगा कि उन्होंने हमें एक ऑर्डर दिया और 1 से 2 दिन के अंदर हमको डिलीवरी भी कर देंगे। थैंक यू पराग भाई, थैंक यू वेरी मच।
So now moving over to Vinod Singhi ji. Vinod Singhi ji, are you there?
No, I think he left. He just messaged me, he left.
Okay. So I request Vipin Bansal ji to introduce himself, please.
Hello, I'm audible?
Yeah, you are audible, please.
Yeah. Jai Jinendra to all. I'm Vipin Bansal, co-founder of my company Under Design. It's a 15-year-old company which provides a single window solution for complete services from visualization to execution of interiors for residential and commercial projects. And we are specialized in concept designing and turnkey projects and high-end furniture. And some of my esteemed clients are like Jaipur Jewelry Show, Gems and Jewelry Promotion Council, Corient India, Deepest Panipat, and Deepest Siliguri. And last year we completed a CM house at Nagaland, their offices and their guest houses also. And right now we're doing a 30,000 square foot house in Siliguri. And I can offer the high quality and practical solutions for interior projects to our JBN members. And I'm looking for the direct clients and architects and designers and project managers from different industries which can help to us. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Vipinji. Thank you so much. So now I request our serial number 43, Mr. Vivek Jain, to introduce himself, please, from Classic Dials. So if he's not there, so we have exhausted our registration list. Now I request Aditya Dugar to check who has not spoken, and to start with, I request my visitor Atul Jain ji to introduce himself. He's from Urja International, Delhi.
Hi, my name is Atul Jain. Jai Jinendra, everyone. I'm in the field of manufacturing garments. We are in this field for last 23 years. We are moreover into knits garments. We are in 3 segments. I have my own label where we sell our products all over India. The products consist of t-shirts, lowers, and all activewear. Secondly, we do pack shipments for Reliance, Globus, and other groups. Thirdly, we do designs and manufacturing for corporates like BMW, HDFC Bank, Relaxo, etc. Anything related to knit garments is my forte. Thank you very much.
So Atul is a good friend of mine. So I have given your reference, Atul, to Shailesh ji. Shailesh ji is into yarn business and he was looking for a t-shirt manufacturer. So I think he can be a good connect. You are a good reference for him. Okay. Thank you very much. So now I request Aditya to take it further.
Achal ji has raised his hand. Do you want to say something, Achal ji?
He's our patent member also.
Achal ji, please unmute yourself.
So Aditya, if we like take the introduction round first, if we complete the round first, then we can come back to
Ashok Surana ji bhi aa gaye hain. Ashok Surana ji.
So I request Ashok Surana ji to introduce himself, please. Please unmute and introduce Ashok Surana ji.
So, I'm Ashok Surana. आवाज आ रही है मेरी?
बिल्कुल आ रही है साहब.
I'm Ashok Surana. In 3 activities. One is I'm largest manufacturer of nail polish raw material. If anybody want to settle in nail polish industries, I can help him. Number 1. Number 2, my wife is running a garment shop in Sector 14 and I am associated with her. And secondly, we have started a well-care center where we can service as a dental, physiotherapy and dermatologist.
Thank you. So मैं यहाँ पे अनिल संचेती जी को भी देख पा रहा हूँ. So I request अनिल संचेती जी to unmute and please introduce yourself to the room, please.
जय जिनेंद्र, मैं अनिल संचेती. हम लोग कंस्ट्रक्शन इंडस्ट्री के अंदर में है, टोल ऑपरेशन और कंस्ट्रक्शन, गवर्नमेंट, सेमी गवर्नमेंट. और अभी एक प्रोजेक्ट में बॉम्बे में करने जा रहा था जो स्लम रिहेबिलिटेशन से रिलेटेड है, जिसमें नवीन जैन जी का हेल्प लग सकता मेरे को. वो करीब 6 लाख फुट का सेल रहेगा उसके अंदर में, पर समय है उसको, उसमें पैसा भी लगेगा जो मालदार आसामी ला के दे मेरे को. बाकी तो बाकी कंस्ट्रक्शन और टोल ऑपरेशन बिजनेस के अंदर में है हम लोग, और काफी पुरानी कंपनी है, 35-40 साल पुराने हैं हम लोग. थैंक यू.
थैंक यू. और मैं यहाँ पे लेडीज विंग से एपेक्स में शिल्पी भाभी को भी देख पा रहा हूँ. सो आई रिक्वेस्ट शिल्पी भाभी टू अनम्यूट एंड प्लीज से समथिंग एंड इंट्रोड्यूस एंड empower ladies in this with this JBN.
Jai Jinendra, everybody. Thank you, Sanjay Bhaiya. It is my pleasure and privilege to be here with you all. And as most of you know, I am life partner and business partner with Mr. Naveen Jain, founder of Jito Gurugram. And it is really my privilege to see everybody here and things running. Raman Bhaiya is really running fast with all of you along with him. And I wish you all very best of luck. It is a pleasure to see the things growing this way. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Bhavi. और मेरा सिर्फ आपसे एक ही रिक्वेस्ट है कि वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट के लिए लेडीज को अच्छे तरह से हम इसमें एम्पावर कर सकें, और JBN के एक पिलर में लेडीज का एक महत्वपूर्ण योगदान है. So I request you to.
Bhavi has been our mentor right from the beginning. भाभी का ही JLW का लगाया हुआ पौधा है. Of course, Bhabhi's power, enthusiasm is always there with our ladies wing in Gurgaon. Thank you, Bhabhi, for always mentoring our ladies wing.
Thank you, Raman Bhaiya. Thank you for your kind words.
नवीन भैया की फोटो नहीं दिख रही है.
So thank you everyone, and if we have missed anyone in the room, please.
Sanjay ji, Achal ji, I think he's missed.
Achal ji, Samyak must also be there.
Yeah.
Achal ji, we request you to unmute and introduce yourself, please.
अचल जी का साउंड नहीं आ रहा है.
Moving on to other members because we have to complete in time also. So I believe
Meenakshi ji has spoken.
नहीं, आप उनको बोल दीजिए, रिक्वेस्ट कर दीजिए.
Meenakshi ma'am from.
हाँ जी, जय जिनेंद्र. I am Meenakshi Jain, Vice Chairperson of JLW Gurugram and a homemaker, involving in various projects wherever possible. And I'm a passionate singer, doing some virtual singing events on various platforms, along with my husband Hitesh Jain. Thank you.
Thank you, Bhabhi. Thanks. So, Aditya, do you find anyone else?
Achal ji can come back. Achal ji, you are not audible. You are not audible. Voice नहीं आ रहा आपका, Achal ji.
तो मैं अब संजय जैन जी हमारे सेक्रेटरी साहब से बोलूंगा कि वो अपना परिचय दें उनको, because now is the time when we have to move towards the end of the meeting and we can take the discussions further and after the post meeting.
Can we have Samyak Jain, please? Samyak is there. Samyak Jain, if we can speak for a minute.
Okay, okay.
From Coral Realty.
Yeah.
Jai Jain Mama ji. Jai Jain everyone. I am Samyak Jain from Coral Realtors Private Limited. Can everyone hear me?
Yeah,
yes. So right now we are building a mall in Sector 56 Gurgaon by the name of Metro World Mall. So I request you all, if there's any lead for investors, for suppliers, if we can help someone or we can get help, we'll like to get it. And on other hand, we are into logistics business by the name of Mavira Transport Private Limited. We are into it from past 35 years. We run all over India and we are into car carrier majorly. So if anyone can help us or get help, we'll be obliged for that. Thank you, everyone.
सम्यक जी, मैं आपसे कांटेक्ट जरूर करूंगा.
Sure, Vinit bhai.
So now I request our GTO Secretary Sanjay Jain ji to introduce himself to the room.
Sada Jai Jinendra. It is pleasure to have you all back on the JBN after so many months. And this is the first meet जो after lockdown और after this corona call के बाद ये हमारा आज privilege है कि आज हम मकर संक्रांति वाले दिन हम लोग सब इस अच्छे शुभ मुहूर्त पे हम लोग इकट्ठे हुए हैं. And we are into rubber business and we are primarily supplying to OEMs and the general industries. And मेरा take यही है कि anything you want in rubbers, we specializing in the localization of the rubber products, and anything you want, we are always there to help you. And I would like to congratulate the JBN team, mentor Hitesh ji, convener Sanjay ji, and co-convener Vikas ji, or Abhineet ji, sorry, or Mani ji, and all other team members for organizing such a wonderful show. And over to you, Mani ji. Or Sanjay.
So if there is any other member left, so
sir, can I speak?
Yeah, please.
Yeah.
Now I'm audible, I think.
Yeah, you are audible.
Season's greeting to all. My name is Achal Jain. I am a senior cost accountant. Now I am working with Bluebells Group. I am the only person in service.
Okay.
I am having a vast experience of industry in cost control, cost reduction, product costing, pricing, etc. I worked with all automobiles industry like Sandan Vikas for more than 25 years. And I am having the experience of costing and budgeting in almost all type of industry like die casting, engineering, process industry, etc. And I offer my voluntary service to all industries if anyone required any type of professional help from myself. Thank you.
Thank you. So if there is any other member or guest left, he can introduce, or else I will introduce myself to the room now.
You can go ahead, Sanjay Bhaiya.
Okay. So my name is Sanjay Jain and I'm in real estate business since 2002. My background is computer engineering and I came in Gurgaon in 2000 and entered in this real estate business. So my specialization is high-end luxury apartments, golf properties, cottages at hill stations, warehouses in NCR, and mall management. My ask is business managers of celebrities, doctors, lawyers who want to invest in Gurgaon. And give is Mr. Nitin Chok, MD, Ujjwal Bank, and Manmeet Singh is a purchase head, Nestle. And we have recently, I'm also a consultant to a Legend Group, and we have recently acquired a mall in Bhiwadi, which was previously known as V Square Mall. Now it is your mall, Legend Centra Mall. Thank you. So now moving over to Mani.
Yeah, Jain.
Yeah, Jain. Yeah, Vikasji, please introduce yourself.
My name is Vikas and my company name is PRSNC Creations Private Limited. And we are into recruitment and placement services for the corporates. We have MNC clients and we recently started in a few months back. It's around 1.5 years back. We started a trading business and we are into all kind of IT products trading. We are into daily necessity products trading, and we are also supplying corporates like housekeeping material and pantry materials. And we are also delivering the trainings to the insurance company and to the banks.
Vikasji, do you also are you also into hiring of senior leadership roles?
Yeah.
In corporates?
Yeah.
Okay, I will connect with you then later.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. So I guess everybody is done with the referrals. Yeah. So it's time to introduce its training offers now. This is the first time we've done this. We've brought in offers from our fellow JBN members and what they can offer to the greater Jito Gurugram fraternity. And we were so overwhelmed, you know, we initially thought कि हम सिर्फ 5 लिखेंगे, but we had more coming in, so we had to shortlist on first come first serve basis which one, you know, which offers to keep. So here I start. Our first offer is from our own homeopathic doctor, Dr. Shubhangi, and she has an offer with a 40% massive discount of ₹21,000 for an annual health offer. So for 1 year, you pay upfront 21,000, and then there is no other fees for any separate medicine, courier. Once you visit her clinic once to get her for the detailed case taking, and then thereafter everything can be taken up via video calls and audio calls. So no extra charges post this payment of upfront 21,000, which is 40% discount from her side. Her contact number is given below, and the offer is available up till 31st of January 2021. So members, you don't need to take screenshots. I will roll out a PDF document of these offers on JBN Gurugram group once we are done with this call. So you don't need to get into, you know, taking screenshots. We'll roll this off. Our next offer is from our own Nimish. Nimish is son of Hemaji, and he owns a company, DigiVantrix. He's into social media marketing, website and app development, search and SEO optimization, branding, designing. And he has offer of 10% off up till 15th of February 2021. So Nimish ka number bhi niche screen mein diya gaya hai. People who want to get into website or app development, digital marketing, etc., please contact him. We have offer from Shri Salad Jain. Salad ji owns 2 businesses. I mean, he owns multiple businesses, but he has offers on 2 businesses. iBaby is one of his one-stop baby shop, which is located at the Golf Coast Road. So flat 10% discount for Jito members. And he also owns a pathology law lab by name of Care First. And he offers 30% flat discount for any checkup you want to get done. So his offer is valid till 28th of February 2021. Next offer is from Bailey Rams, Shri Mohit Jain ji, and he has different slabs of offers. 30% off on porcelain gold figurines, 25% off on silver plated items, 20% off on all resin filled pure silver items, and 10% on silver jewelry. His offer is available till 15th of February. So please make use of it if you're interested in buying jewelry related items, silver jewelry. Then we have our offer from our very own Vineet Jain, 20% off, flat 20% off on all corporate gifting items for all Jito members up till 28th of February 2021. And of course, one last offer from Ashok Jain Surana ji from Umrao Creations. He has, his shop is located at Sector 14, Gurugram, and they are dealing in kurti, leggings, pants, ready-made suits, and dress materials. 15% of special discount for all Jito families, and this offer is also valid till 28th February 2021. So my sincere gratitude and thank you to all the people who have extended offers to the bigger Jito Gurugram fraternity by virtue of these offers. My sincere thanks to all of them. I now invite our own Sanjay Jain to announce. He has got some special announcements. So Sanjay Jain ji, over to you.
Thank you, Mani ji. और सबको सादर जय जिनेंद्र और मकर संक्रांति की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। नए साल में एक नई आशा के साथ और एक नई विचारधारा के साथ जीतो के इस मंच पे हम लोग सारे विराजमान हैं और कुछ करने की और समाज को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा देने की और जोड़ने की, इसके लिए हम लोग सारे तत्पर हैं। इसके लिए मैं आप सबका हार्दिक धन्यवाद करना चाहता हूं। कुछ स्पेशल अनाउंसमेंट्स हैं जो मैं इस प्लेटफॉर्म पे रखना चाहता हूं। सबसे पहले है कि एपेक्स हैज अनाउंस्ड कन्वर्जन ऑफ करंट पैटर्न मेंबर्स। जो लोग अभी पीछे जब हमने ड्राइव करी थी, उसके जो पैटर्न मेंबर्स जो लोग बने हुए हैं, एक एपेक्स ने अभी ऑफर दिया है कि वो अगर लोग चीफ पैटर्न में कन्वर्ट होना चाहते हैं, तो जिसका कॉस्ट रिवाइज होगी थी 15 लाख रुपया, बट नाउ दे हैव ऑफर्ड कि अभी 11 लाख के अंदर ही विद ओल्ड कॉस्ट आप पैटर्न से चीफ पैटर्न बन सकते हैं एक चैप्टर में, और जो आपने 1 लाख रुपया दिया हुआ है वो एडजस्ट होके आप लोग 10 लाख रुपया ही आपसे लिया जाएगा। तो जो लोग इस ऑफर को अवेल करना चाहते हैं, क्योंकि चीफ पैटर्न्स के लिए बहुत सारी स्पेशल ऑफर्स हैं जीतो एपेक्स की तरफ से, और ये स्कीम जो वैलिड है ये 30 जून 21 तक वैलिड है। दूसरी एक स्पेशल अनाउंसमेंट है कि गुड़गांव चैप्टर इज रोपिंग यूथ ऑन अ वेरी सीरियस नोट, और currently from 17 odd members in the youth club, we have grown up to 56 members within a span of 1 month. तो हमारा टारगेट इसको करीब 100 के पार करना है within a next few months, और मैं चाहूँगा जितने भी हमारे मेंबर यहाँ पे हैं वो लोग अपने अपने बच्चों को who are in the age bracket of 18 to 36, I would request कि आप इस प्लेटफॉर्म पे लेके आएँ। और करंटली अभी हमारी इसकी जो मेंबरशिप फी है that is for 11,000, which we are considering, looking at the response in 1 month, we are considering this might go up by 21,000. So you can say this is an offer for another say 31st or a couple of months, that you basically encourage your children in the age bracket of 18 to 36 years to be part of this grand platform of जीतो। और एक चीज़ और है हमारी स्पेशल, हम लोग जब रमन जी की टीम फॉर्मेशन हुई, जेबीएन की टीम फॉर्मेशन हुई, तो जब हम लोगों ने फैक्ट फाइंडिंग करी तो हमारा यही एक विचारधारा आई कि JBN जो है वो सिर्फ जीतो तक न सीमित करके इसको पैन जैन कम्युनिटी के अंदर हम लोग लेके जाएं। और ये हमारा ध्येय है कि हम लोग हर जैन परिवार जो जीतो के साथ नहीं भी जुड़ा है, चाहे वो जीतो मेंबर हो, नॉन जीतो मेंबर्स हो, वो लोग इसको अवेल करें, एक दूसरे के साथ बिजनेस करें, एक दूसरे के साथ सपोर्ट सिस्टम बने और इकोनॉमिक एम्पावरमेंट जैसे कि जीतो का एक मोटो रहा है, उसमें ये अपने आप को लाने की कोशिश करें। लेकिन उसमें एक टेक यही रहेगा, जो लोग जीतो के साथ एज ए चीफ पैटर्न और पैटर्न मेंबर जुड़े हुए हैं, उनको प्रिविलेजेस पहले दी जाएगी, ताकि दूसरे लोगों को ये लगे कि हाँ, हम लोग इस संस्था के साथ जुड़ सके और हमें और प्रिविलेजेस मिले। तो हमारी कोशिश यही है कि हम लोग जब नेक्स्ट कभी भी मेंबरशिप ड्राइव हो, तो हम इस बेसिस के ऊपर, जीतो के बेसिस के ऊपर हम लोग और लोगों को अपने चैप्टर के अंदर ओपन कर सके। और लास्ट बट नॉट द लीस्ट, जो एक अनाउंसमेंट है कि जो JBN की मेंबरशिप है, अभी तो ये फ्री है, और क्योंकि कुछ कॉस्ट, अभी तो हम लोग वर्चुअल पे हैं तो बहुत ज़्यादा कॉस्ट नहीं आती, बट lot of things goes into it, lot of systems goes into it, lot of activities goes into it, and there is a cost involved in it. तो Apex भी अभी ये सोच रहा है कि JBN की मेंबरशिप हम लोग कुछ देर के बाद शायद पेड मेंबरशिप हो जाएगी, कुछ सर्टेन चार्जेस लिए जाएंगे जस्ट टू ओवरकम दी minimum expenses that have been incurred to run these shows. So that is the special announcement that we have, and I would request कि जो लोग यूथ के लिए मैं दोबारा कहना चाहूँगा, हमारा एक विजन है, रमन जी का एक विजन है, और रमन जी ने यूथ को अपने पास ही रखा हुआ है इस एक पोर्टफोलियो को, कि हम यूथ को बहुत बड़े लार्ज स्केल के ऊपर हम लोग ड्राइव करना चाहते हैं। और इस प्लेटफॉर्म के ऊपर मैं ये कहना चाहता हूँ कि आने वाले 7 फरवरी को we are having a youth meet. It's not a virtual meet, it's a physical meet at लोहागढ़ फार्म। तो हम लोग इसको सब यूथ को एक प्लेटफॉर्म के ऊपर लाके उनको इंटरेक्शन करके उनको एक नेटवर्किंग के सेशन में हम लोग लाना चाहते हैं। तो दैट इज ऑल फ्रॉम मी। थैंक यू मनी, ओवर टू यू।
संजय जी, मैं थोड़ा रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि कुछ मेंबर्स मैं देख पा रहा हूं, संदीप जैन जी और अंकित संचेती जी का परिचय नहीं हो पाया है, तो इफ दे वांट टू स्पीक दे कैन स्पीक एट दिस मोमेंट, एंड देन आई विल आस्क विनीत। अंकित संचेती जी, आप अगर सुन पा रहे हैं, सो इफ यू वांट टू इंट्रोड्यूस योरसेल्फ, यू हैव अ मिनट टू इंट्रोड्यूस योरसेल्फ।
Hi, this is Ankit Sancheti.
Yeah.
Good evening.
Good evening.
We are into infrastructure management and real estate. Plus, I work with BJP and associated with it, and I'm the executive member for Maharashtra State, and I'm the national secretary for All India Jain Conference, Stanakwasi Conference. Thank you.
Thank you, Ankit ji, and we'll be in your touch for the empowerment of our Jain community and Jito community.
Sure, sir.
Ankit ji is son of Anil Sancheti ji.
Yeah, वो मुझे पता देखा। अच्छा, अब मैं रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा संदीप जैन जी से, अगर वो अवेलेबल हैं तो वो भी 45 सेकंड्स में अपने बारे में बताएं।
Sandeep has to unmute himself.
In the meantime, if someone is there in the room and he wants to introduce, he can unmute and talk about himself if he has not introduced you to the room. So now I request our co-convener, Mr. Vineet, so to tell about the future programs, our next referral meet. So Vineet bhai, please say something about the future meetings.
Thank you, Sanjay bhai. दोबारा से गुड इवनिंग JBN।
गुड इवनिंग
सर, मुझे आवाज नहीं आ रही, थोड़ा मुझे जोश चाहिए कि आगे के लिए जो हमारे जो प्लान है, जो हमारा स्ट्रक्चर है, रोड मैप है, उसमें हमें जोश चाहिए। तो जब तक जोश नहीं होगा तो रोड मैप मजा नहीं आएगा। तो
गुड इवनिंग JBN।
गुड इवनिंग। गुड इवनिंग।
गुड इवनिंग JBN।
थैंक यू एवरीवन। आगे अब हम अपना रोड मैप अपना आपके सामने में एक्सप्लेन कर रहा हूँ। हम फरवरी का, संजय भाई फरवरी से एक्सप्लेन करूं? थैंक यू संजय। अब हमारा सेकेंड ऑफ वीक थर्सडे हमारा अपना रेफरल मीट रहेगा, एंड उसके बाद हम थर्ड ऑफ वीक 10 या 15 लोग जो भी हैं, किसी के भी ऑफिस में बैठ के हम लोग अपना चाय पे चर्चा, जो हमारे रमन भैया के गाइडेंस के हिसाब से जो हो रहा है, जिसे हम मिल सके। और 2nd ऑफ वीक 28 फरवरी को हम लोग क्रॉस चैप्टर मीट कर रहे हैं अहमदाबाद के साथ। एंड मार्च के अंदर हमारा अपना रहेगा, आपको एक सेकेंड, जस्ट अ मिनट, 11 मार्च को हम लोग फिर अपना रेफरल मीट है हम लोगों का। उसके बाद हमारा 7 मार्च को हम वडोदरा के साथ भी रेफरल मीट कर रहे हैं, क्रॉस चैप्टर मीट। एंड 23 मार्च को हम लोग बैंगलोर के साथ रेफरल मीट कर रहे हैं, क्रॉस चैप्टर मीट। और अप्रैल में हम लोग फिर 8 अप्रैल को हम लोग फिर अपना हमारा रेफरल मीट रहेगा गुड़गांव के साथ। उसके बाद हमारा 25 अप्रैल को हम लोग नासिक के साथ क्रॉस चैप्टर मीट कर रहे हैं।
तो विनीत भाई, ये तो हमारी जूम मीटिंग्स हो गई। इसके बाद अगर हमारे पास कोई रेस्ट्रिक्शन नहीं रहा तो हम फिजिकल मीटिंग भी करेंगे। सो वी विल टेक दिस, मतलब कि अप्रैल तक ही हम बताते हैं, उसके बाद जो प्लान है विल शेयर।
अप्रैल तक ही हम रखते हैं। उसके बाद अगर हमें एपेक्स से जैसे भी हमें आदेश होगा, रमन भैया का और संजय भैया का जैसे भी आदेश होगा, तो उसके हिसाब से फिर हम लोग आगे गाइडलाइंस पे चलेंगे।
सो थैंक यू।
मेरा एक सभी से अनुरोध है कि हम लोगों का जो भी हमारा रेफरल हो रहा है, क्रॉस चैप्टर मीट हो रहा है, आप सभी लोग उसमें आए और अपना सहयोग दें। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
थैंक यू। सो नाउ आई रिक्वेस्ट आवर सेक्रेटरी साहब संजय जैन जी to give vote of thanks for the meeting as we now come to the end of the meeting। and मैं रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा संजय जैन जी से, अगर हमारा एजेंडा, बिकॉज टाइम बाउंड मीटिंग हमारा सबसे बड़ा एजेंडा है, बिकॉज टाइम इज मनी एंड इफ वी कंक्लूड एवरीथिंग इन टाइम we'll definitely grow our business together।
Thank you, Sanjay ji. This is from one Sanjay to another Sanjay। Thank you everyone for being on this platform of JBN Gurugram, and thank you for the engagement, and thank you for the interest that you have shown, and the efforts put in by the core team of JBN is really commendable. I would like to thank you on chapter behalf, on our team behalf, for such a nice show, nice presentation, and we hope that from this particular platform, we'll be able to generate more of business amongst our Jain fraternity. And I would like to just add one thing into it, that from the next time, we would like to have one particular section where we would like to showcase those people who have benefited from the JBN network in whatever capacity. So I would like Sanjay ji to kindly note that sure. From this platform, we would like to project that what the JBN is doing and at what level we can go up to with regard to this. And all those who have joined here, I would like to thank you on chapter behalf, on Gurugram chapter behalf, for being part of this particular meet. Thank you so much. Jai Jinendra।
अगर संजय भैया, हेलो, अगर रमन भैया और आपकी अगर आज्ञा हो, तो क्या हम हितेश जी का कुछ एक लास्ट में एक हैप्पी मोमेंट में एक सॉन्ग सुन सकते हैं?
बिल्कुल सुन सकते हैं सर। Let's have a lighter moment. I think officially we have closed down. So we just a few seconds. If everybody permits, we can